Peter Krasilnikoff's residence and photography studio, nestled in the picturesque harborside district of Islands Brygge, Copenhagen. Studio David Thulstrup's visionary approach to architecture and design has seamlessly blended the industrial heritage of the site with modern living aesthetics, resulting in a space that is both striking and functional. Step into the foyer, where the industrial charm of the original brick walls sets the tone for the entire residence. Marvel at the interplay of textures and materials as raw poured concrete meets blackened steel panels, creating a dynamic backdrop for daily life. The bespoke terrazzo kitchen, a focal point of the ground floor, showcases Studio David Thulstrup's commitment to craftsmanship and attention to detail. As you move through the open-concept living area, immerse yourself in the warmth of navy curtains and intense aubergine velvet accents, courtesy of Quadrat. These rich hues provide a counterpoint to the industrial elements, creating a space that is both inviting and sophisticated. Central to the home's design is the glass-walled atrium, a verdant oasis that breathes life into the space. Watch as natural light dances across the mirrored panels, creating a sense of depth and dimensionality. The carefully curated selection of Scandinavian greenery adds a touch of nature to the urban environment, transforming the atrium into a serene retreat. Ascend the central staircase, crafted from perforated black steel, and discover the upper levels of the residence. Here, the aesthetic shifts to light oak walls and floors, creating a sense of continuity while maintaining a distinct identity. The terrazzo-covered bathroom, bathed in soft gray tones, offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Venture outside to the rooftop terrace, a hidden gem nestled among the treetops. Here, the unconventional architectural treatment takes center stage, as vertical Brazilian hardwood panels envelop the building facade. Witness how these panels will gracefully weather over time, reflecting the passage of seasons and the ever-changing landscape of the city. In every corner of this stunning residence, Studio David Thulstrup's commitment to tailored design solutions is evident. From the meticulous planning of the interior spaces to the thoughtful selection of materials, this is architecture at its finest, a harmonious blend of past and present, industrial and contemporary, form and function. Join us as we uncover the beauty and intrigue of Copenhagen's industrial chic residence, where every detail tells a story.